In this video, we examine 3 specialized mounting options that cater to different travel styles, ensuring your Starlink Mini remains connected no matter where your journey takes you.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Dinfu Vehicle Roof Mount. The Dinfu car roof mount is engineered for those who require a high-strength exterior solution capable of withstanding the rigors of the open road. This Starlink Mini magnetic mount is designed for vehicle roof installation, allowing you to enjoy fast and stable Starlink Mini internet connectivity while on the move. Equipped with 4 high-strength magnets delivering up to 200 ohms of holding force, the mount keeps the Starlink Mini securely in place even at high speeds or in harsh weather conditions, ensuring consistent performance. Tool-free installation makes setup effortless. Simply place the mount on a metal surface for an instant, secure hold. It can be installed or removed in seconds, saving time and effort. Purpose-built for Starlink Mini, this magnetic roof mount is ideal for RVs, yachts, campers, trucks, and other vehicles with iron surfaces, providing reliable internet access during travel. On number 2, we have Fonken Dashboard Mount. For users who prefer a more temporary or internal setup, the Fonken Dashboard Mount offers an excellent balance of stability and accessibility. Featuring a high-strength suction cup with reusable nano-adhesive, this Starlink Mini car mount attaches firmly to dashboards and windshields. The powerful grip maintains stability even on rough roads, giving you reliable performance and peace of mind while driving. Designed for secure placement on dashboards or windshields at an optimal viewing height, this compact suction cup mount blends neatly into your car's interior without blocking your line of sight, helping you stay focused on the road. Compatible with a wide range of vehicle types, this Starlink Mini car mount works equally well in larger vehicles and compact cars with shallow dashboard depths. Its compact and lightweight nature makes it a favorite for travelers who use rental cars or multiple vehicles, as it can be packed away into a glove box when not in use. On number 3, we have Neewer Suction Cup Mount. The Neewer Suction Cup Mount provides the ultimate in versatile positioning, leveraging industrial-grade vacuum technology to attach to any smooth, non-porous surface. The 4 powerful suction cups create a stable 4-point attachment, securely fixing the mount to cars, boats, or RVs without shaking. This ensures dependable support for your satellite receiver, even while in motion. The ST91 Internet Dish Mount features an integrated silicone sleeve design that easily slips over the terminal dish like a phone case. No tools or complex assembly are required. Simply secure the suction cups with the screws, place the mount on a glass surface, and press the suction buttons for a firm hold. Unlike metal or plastic alternatives, the all-silicone construction offers both durability and protection. It won't scratch your device and resists cracking or wear over long-term use. Lightweight and compact for easy storage, this mini car mount is built for portability. The receiver mounting kit also includes 4 carabiners for convenient attachment to backpacks or gear, making it an ideal choice for travelers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who depend on Starlink Mini compatible connectivity on the go. So these are some of the best mounts to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.